So we're here with Dr. Sammy from 𝗪𝗵𝘁. As a trainer, customers always ask us, what about hip dysplasia? What is it? How can we detect it?
Just so that you guys know, hip dysplasia is an abnormal growth development, and it usually affects large breed dogs. Now, I know you work with mainly large breed dogs, but it can happen in any dog, but it greatly affects the larger breed dog. It can be seen in dogs as little as under a year old. We see them by difficulty getting up, stiffness to rise, difficulty walking upstairs. Sometimes you see their legs trembling in the back, or they have weak hind legs. Sometimes you see them do a bunny hop, where they don't walk one leg in front of the other, but they take they're both back legs, and they make one big step with it. Some common signs of hip dysplasia in younger dogs are trouble getting up from a seated position, getting into and out of vehicles, becoming irritable or showing disinterest in playing with their other mates, as well as abnormal or wiggly gait when walking.
Now, another question that always comes up is hip dysplasia only genetic, or can it also be caused environmentally?
It can also be caused environmentally. The reason being the surfaces, the way that you feed your dog, whether it's too quickly or using supplements to encourage faster weight gain, are factors that can cause hip dysplasia as well.
Are there certain exercises or anything that would cause abnormal wear and tear, or an age where exercise is too early?
Usually, well, first, we don't recommend you walk unless your pet is fully vaccinated, and that's usually about 4 months. When you do high inclines or up a hill, or even quickly down one, those are also factors that can have abnormal or wear and tear of that hip joint too quickly.
So if somebody then sees their dog at a year, 2 years, and the dog is walking funny, what should they do?
Come to the vet immediately. So at that point, you want us to examine your dog. We'll do a physical exam, and then we'll do x-rays for us to determine whether your dog has hip dysplasia. You can see those signs very clearly in a dog as young as 4 months. We've actually seen one just recently. She is 9 months.
So there you have it, folks. Watch out for your dog. Make sure if you notice anything off, take your dog to the vet, get it x-rayed, and select your dog from a breeder that has a history of not having dogs that have that condition.